In this video, I'll show you how to add Submit button on Google Forms. First, open Google Forms and create your form. Once you start building your form, you might notice that there is no option to manually add a Submit button. That is completely normal. Google Forms automatically adds a Submit button at the end of every form. You do not need to add it yourself. It is always there by default, and it will always appear at the very end of your form. To see how it looks, click the Preview button at the top of the screen. This will open your form as a respondent would see it. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Submit button already placed there automatically. Once you publish your form and share it with others, the Submit button will be visible to everyone who fills it out. If you want to change the look of your form, including the button style, you can click on the theme options to customize the colors and fonts. That is how you do it.